check out this idiot. He's got a bike rack in the back, 4 or 5 bikes on. Obviously has kids. He's towing a trailer, and if you look down the side, you can see no mirrors at all. This guy cannot see anything behind him or beside him. Not a clue. We just went up a passing lane, and he never went into the right-hand lane, and everybody had to pass him on the right-hand side. He got like a little pickup up there, and absolutely no mirrors whatsoever. You can't see a mirror on either side of this truck. Just to the edge of the mirror right there. What an idiot. That's got to be one nerve-wracking drive to be able to drive down the road and not be able to see around the back of your truck or trailer. What an idiot. And he's got kids in there rig with him too. Oh, that takes all kinds. It's somewhere, go figure. Everybody's just blowing past, which is kind of weird, but I guess you want to get out in front of the traffic jam. I have no idea what's going on. Bottlenecked everything. Idiot that was holding everybody up about 20 miles back. I have no idea what's going on here. Go ahead, go ahead, go. Go, get up there, get up there, get up there, go. Go on, get in there, you son of a bitch. Get in there. Get over there. Get over there. Get over there. One at a time, folks. One at a time. Idiot's got his truck rolled upside down. Some idiot rolled his truck upside down. Special. Hit the guardrail right. Oh, he made a mess there. She's just sitting there, parked. Well, I'm headed to Tacoma. This is one of Jolly Roger's old trucks, and they sold it to a guy, so I'm up here in Tacoma dropping off at a diesel repair shop. You just gotta take everything off, and they've been sitting a long time. I guess the brakes were locked up. They tried everything, couldn't get them free up, so these guys are supposed to fix it for them. I'll get my truck disconnected and we'll get out of here.